Welcome back to Island Life Live. Now, as a young boy growing up in a musical family in Kalihi, Robert Cazimero developed his craft as a musician and a singer on countless stages from Hawaii to Carnegie Hall and beyond. He rose to fame with his brother Roland as part of the award-winning Brothers Cazimero.
Yes, but this year we celebrate his accomplishments not just in music, but also in Hawaiian dance as kumu hula and founder of Halau Hula na Kamalei o Lililehua. So we're so grateful to have him here. Robert Uluvehi o Napua i Kavekiu o Kalani Cazimero. Ea ea.
Thank you for having me here today. Thank you very, very much.
Oh my goodness. Well, first of all, ho'omaikai na Kamalei o Lililehua celebrating 50 years.
Mahalo nui.
That is a big deal.
Yes. Well, yeah, you know, I didn't realize it was going to last this long. I really didn't. I mean, so when I think about my teacher and wonder, we all talk about this often, did she know that this was going to happen, you know, and because I definitely had no idea about it. And when we started planning for the 55 now with the new year, 6 years ago, I knew it was going to be a harried type of year, but it really was busy. But
yeah,
it was a
absolutely.
great opportunity for us to gather together again after all these years and see it.
Take us back a little bit, because we all have fallen in love with you through your music. But when did dancing become a big part of your life?
You know, I'm not so sure. I think by the fact that my sisters and my cousins were all dancing already, and we were part of my mom's show, and so we were the musicians and they were the dancers, and I guess it would have to start from there. But it really became more prevalent when I met Mikey Ayu Lake back in a while ago.
Yeah. Now this is your hula lineage, yes?
Yes.
Yes, she is your hula.
Although I started with Nona.
Oh, Auntie Nona Bima.
Yeah, Auntie Nona Bima first. And then it was in a class that Nona, I was in a class that Nona was teaching when we were asked to invite a hakumele, a composer. And my good friend in my class, Puna, invited her aunt, which is Mikey.
Auntie Mikey.
And I met her when she walked in that door, just something different happened in my life for sure. And that path became an opened, you know, walkway right into a new life, part of life, which is the hula.
That is a beautiful hula lineage for sure.
Incredible. Yeah. And you know, as you celebrate 50 years, you could have had a party. You know, you could have done so many different things, but you're doing it in a very unique way to celebrate this year. Tell us a little bit about Kilo Lani.
Yeah, about a year ago, we had a meeting down at Windward Community College with Kilo Lani Landgraf, and there's that the Iolani
Gallery Iolani.
Yeah, that's right, the Gallery Iolani. I like to call it the galaxy.
It is.
Because when I'm sitting in there, I feel like I'm in a galaxy. But and she came up with the idea of like doing something about, you know, truly. But and so she asked if we wanted to do it, and I had asked if we could wait until this year because we were so busy last year. And she said yes, and because of the help of my two nephews and my niece, they're the ones who put it together. And the interesting thing about it is that when I look at it, when I'm there, as much as it's about me, it's more about the work. Because if it's centered around me, it's embarrassing. It's a little bit embarrassing, you know, because it's just a little bit too much. But when you think about the work that has been done for 50 years and what it has encompassed, with the hope that it will continue.
Absolutely.
You know, it's overwhelming. Yeah, and my gratitude is sickeningly emotional so many times just walking through there. And I've been now several times, and I intend to be there as often as possible. Nobody has to be there. I'll just go. My piano's in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
well, we definitely have to be there.
I don't have today, but now you know why. But anyway, so it's over there, and I just sit there and I just look at all the pictures. It's an opportunity to commune again with the ones that we don't see physically anymore, and I take advantage of it while I can.
Well, let's talk about commune, because we've got special activations that are happening. It's not just an exhibit where you walk in and you see things on a wall and stuff like that. There are actually events that are happening tied to it. Is that correct?
Oh, yes, there are.
Read your pepper. Read your
Yes,
pepper.
I have tapupa. We have an opening reception for people on Friday. That's this Friday from 4 to 7. And and there are other things as well. We have this is so funny, a docent-led experience, and the guys are doing it, which means you can expect anything or nothing.
The boys of Nakamale.
Yes, because the guys from the Halau are going to do it. And I had to tell them at our meeting, because they saw it for the first time on Saturday, that I don't need them to tell. If you don't know the answer to the questions that people are asking, tell them I don't know, and then point to the wall and say, because I missed all that part there, and I come in right in this little sliver right here. I said there's nothing wrong in telling the truth about that. So the docent-led ones are on the first. Oh, anyway, okay. We have February 7th and March 7th and April 4th and May 8th, and it's everywhere from 1 to 4 in the afternoon.
Beautiful.
But most importantly, in March, to celebrate my birthday, and again, it's not all about me, although it certainly seems to be all about me.
We get a big concert, right?
Yeah. And then we're celebrating, we're calling it a ko'olau, and we're going to do everything on that side of the ko'olau, but Windward side.
Beautiful.
From Waimanalo out to Malai Kahana and out there.
That is wonderful.
We're going to do that whole thing. Yeah. So we have 2 concerts on that one at the theater right next door.
Paliku Theater.
Paliku Theater. So,
and it's Kilo Lani right here with Robert Cazimero.
I hope
get
you all
in
will
there.
come. Thank you for having us here today.
Yes.
Thank you.
January 23rd is when it opens. Again, it's the exhibit at Gallery Iolani, Windward Community College. Do not miss it. You'll probably see Robert there, boop, 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 tickling
and if you're coming, let me know, because I'll probably be at the piano. So.
I love that. That's perfect.
We'll have our own little party.
Okay, sounds good. Now, speaking of party, it is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. And, Dr. King did come to Hawaii.